Hi, my name is Ronel. I live in the most beautiful place in the world, Houtbay in Cape Town. I've been in corporate literally all my life up to about a year ago. And, life happens and things happen. And all of a sudden, the corporate world changed and there were a lot of things that had to be adapted to. And I had to seriously consider fairly quickly a alternative source of income. And on top of that, my kids are both out of the house, and hubby and I are living in this huge house, 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom house. And there's a bond to be paid. And we've embarked on the Airbnb journey. And the journey for me has been a short one, but I must say, and I'm very proud to say, with the help of Karen and her wisdom and experience, it's been an incredibly successful journey. And Airbnb hosting for me has been really heartwarming, encouraging, and it's lovely to meet people that are like-minded. It's not about bringing strangers into your house. It may be strangers when they come in, but when they leave, they are friends. So the journey started with a private room in my house, and it's a private room with an ensuite bathroom. Karen helped me with the listing and how to set it up, and the manner in which it has been set up has created a interest immediately. Within 48 hours, I had a booking, and yeah, I got the 5-star review immediately after that. So it was a great experiment and experience. I decided to branch out and then ventured into the next level of expanding the private room into a cottage. So that entails the bedroom, ensuite bathroom, and then incorporating the lounge, dining room area, kitchen, full kitchen, together with the study. So it's literally a self-contained cottage. We've started the renovations and the bookings have come in. I've lined up back-to-back bookings, and I just hope the renovations will be done by that time. For me, it was about the listing, how it was set up, the information that Karen put together, understanding what needs to be said for somebody to attract interest. Because in Houtbay, there are so many Airbnbs. So the competition here is absolutely fierce. But the way it's been set up and the way Karen has explained the process of what's needed and what is necessary for the person that is browsing around looking for some way to stay has enabled that booking to be made. And I think that's where the experience that Karen has built up over the years has benefited tremendously. I think if I had to do that listing and set it up, I would still be busy putting the listing together. With the bookings that is now confirmed, that I'm able to cover my bond 100%.